Halo guys.
My name is Lisha Nur Cahyani and
Kustina Puji Astuti,
today we're going to make an English assignment.
which is procedure how to make Oreo milkshake.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Follow our easy Oreo shake recipe with step-by-step instruction. This Oreo milkshake recipe should be on the summer menu of everyone who loves thick and creamy beverages. If you are looking for a super easy milkshake recipe, try this Oreo shake recipe.
To prepare this delicious shake recipe, all you need is really simple. There is 4 Oreo cookies, 1 cup milk, 1 sachet choco powder, a unit blender.
First step, put Oreo into blender. You don't need to powder them. They should be crushed enough to be blended into a shake.
Now, pour milk and choco powder into a blender. Blend well all the ingredients until combined completely.
Pour the prepared milkshake into a glass. Finally, serve immediately with a straw. The Oreo milkshake is ready to drink. It's simple and delicious. You can put even ice cream toppings or Oreos on them. This is good to drink in hot weather. So thanks for watching our video.